Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to edit vertical video on iMovie in iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open iMovie app on your iPhone. If you don't have iMovie on your iPhone, you can download it from App Store. For this video, I am going to use iPhone 16. Open iMovie on your iPhone. Then tap Movie from Start New Project. Then select the vertical video that you would like to edit. When vertical video selected, tap Create Movie. Now you need to tap on the imported clip. Then tap Zoom icon in upper right corner. Make the pinch gesture on the screen of your iPhone to zoom in or out the video. This will make iMovie show the full screen and convert the clip to the original ratio as a vertical one. Once you make the video to vertical, you can edit your video in the iMovie as usual. You can add, remove background, title, clip or anything else. Once finished, tap Done on top left. Then tap Share button from bottom menu. Tap Save or Share Video. Tap Save Video. Exporting video. This movie was exported to your photo library. Now open Photoshop on your iPhone. Tap to open the exported video. Tap Edit button from bottom menu. Now choose Crop. Go to the cropping section and drag the cropping tool to crop the black bars out, and then tap Done on top right to save the video as vertical. So these are the steps to edit vertical video on iMovie. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.